Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was doing a Google search for Charleston Roofing, #1 keyword, and this is what comes up on the first page. A lot of ads. You may recognize some of those companies. This is what we call the map pack. And here's where you get into the organic rankings. You'll see some of your competitors, Charleston Roof. This is a directory listing. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roofs and Windows, and there's others. So I was looking for your company and found it on page 6 down here under, here we go, New Beginnings, Construction. So I went to your website and look at it, and it pops up really nicely, and got a little bit of content there. Good pictures. Hopefully your web person is putting in the image tags, which will help you rank a little bit higher. But just thought I'd share a couple things with you that you can do on your own that Google looks for in order to rank you higher, because 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 companies. They go with one of the top 3, and you can do some things on your own, or we can help you and get you there. And actually, we can get you there really fast. We do this for folks all over the country. And wouldn't it be nice to be getting 80% of the new customers, or a portion of 80% of those new customers? But anyway, that could either double or triple your revenues, and I'm sure you'd like that. One of the things that Google looks for is they want to make sure that they trust the website, and the more they trust the website, the higher they'll rank it. So one of the factors, which there's many, that go into a Google trusting website is their heading tags. Their first heading tag, and then their secondary tags. And I put in your URL. This is what came up as your heading tag. Now, if you can just make that congruent with what people are searching for, Charleston Roofing, that alone will boost your ranks. So Google looks for the city and then the keyword. So instead of roof repair and replacement, there's not a lot of searches going on for that. But if you put in Charleston Roofing and then maybe roof repair and replacement after that, or preferably your company name after that, that would go a long way in boosting your rankings. The other thing that Google looks at is their metadata and your title. This is what shows up on the blue line for in the Google search. So residential roofing contractors, Charleston. So again, if that could be congruent with the search term, if you had just changed it to Charleston Roofing, and then the vertical line, and put your company name, and you could do another vertical line and put residential roofing, that would boost your search results right there. This is your title tag. The black is your description, and you can put whatever you want in there. It'd be good to put your phone number in there so people can see that real easy and click on it. Would be helpful as well. So hopefully those things help you. If you can have someone do those for you, or you can do them yourself, and we'd be glad to help you out. Hope you have a good day.